Hi, so let me write that. So this is at excel.org, and I'm already signed in. And you'll see that there's these kinds of institutions: MIT, Harvard, Berkeley, University of Texas, Boston, and there's a variety of different subjects. So there's computer science, language, data science, and so on. So for the CS50, after you create an account, you can just do a search for CS50. Okay. And then, okay, view all results. And so there's a wide variety of different CS50. Now, these are all taught by Harvard professors, or they also use Harvard TAs to do this class as well. And so understanding tech, computer science principles for business pros, for game development, for intro to computer science. I would start with this one right here. And then you can build on, like for what we're doing in my second year students, we're doing this one right here, building a mobile app development with React. I kind of do a comparison of this compared to a textbook. Just as well as I do, textbooks get outdated really quickly. Technology changes as fast as it does, and these are done. Frequently. I think some of the stuff, like I said, we're working on this in my class, and then there's one of the instructions where we're using Expo, and Expo's got an update and it's not reflected on this. So that took a little diving in to trying to figure out what's going on, but that's a good experience. That's good practice. So you have the instructors are David, and looks like Jordan is the main instructor. He looks like he's a software engineer at Harvard. You can do it for free by doing an audit. So once you figure out which you want to take, you can just select audit. Or if they want, for the certificate, it's $90. I've only done the free version of it. It's 13 weeks in length, 6 to 9 hours per week, but you can use that for whatever you need it to be. So use this as a resource, use this just to kind of do a flipped classroom model, whatever you like. The one, like I said, I recommend getting started with is this one right here. Similar concept, 10 weeks, 10 to 20 hours a week. You can do it free or pay, and talks about what the fundamentals of what you'll learn. Let's see. So, and it talks about a variety of different computer languages. I mean, it talks from the basics of, here it is, talks about the basics of binary, and then it talks about abstraction algorithms, data structures, and calculation. It talks about all kinds of stuff. And sometimes what I use is, when I'm talking about bubble sorting, and they have a really good demonstration talking about how that works in class. And I just use that. It's like, watch that video, because I just don't have the time or the resources to create something like they're creating. So this is another good resource that I want to share with you. I know you have some students interested in game development, and you can encourage them to find whatever it is that they like and go into it. For those that were more artsy, you can look for, let's see, let's do graphics. There's computer graphics, there's, whatever there is. So, yeah, so this is another great resource if you want to try to use that. Let me know if you have any questions.